Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Kia Sportage LX all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7478XB. Only 52,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Mineral silver in color. The Sportage is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Sportage has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 176 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Sportage, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.